Good day everyone! Today we are going to have a mud crab dissection presented by Kirivina Bayubay, Christine Padilla, and Sheena Ann Bolalin.
Mud crab, or in scientific name Scylla serrata, is from the phylum Arthropoda. In their most common forms, their shell's colors vary from a deep bottle green to very dark brown. They live in a muddy and sandy bottom brackish water and marine environment.
As you can see, some its claws and legs are separated from the body because when crabs are stressed out in feeling of danger, they naturally detach their own claws. Crabs are bilateral symmetry, means the right and left sides of the body are mirror images of one another. These are their walking legs, and these are their swimming legs. These are the claws of Chala.
Dactyl and Propodus are called Chela. The remaining are called Carpus and Merus. Now going to the walking legs. There is the Merus, Carpus, Propodus, and Dactyl. The swimming legs is composed of the coxa, basiischium, Merus, Carpus, Propodus, and Dactyl. As you can see, there is the presence of hairs in these legs.
We will dissect the chela to see the muscle contractions that is occurring here. When we pull it backward, the claw will close, and when we push it forward, the claw will open. This is the ventral view of the crab. The abdomen part of the crab the antennae, and the smaller is called the antenule. And these are the eyes.
This is the carapace, a hard upper shell that covers and protects the head. We are now going to see the lateral spines. It is in both sides. So these small shafts are called anterolateral teeth. Inside this, you can find the mouth. This extension here is called the pulp. The structure between the eyes is called frontal spine.
This white is called the thoracic sternite. This apron is used to identify the gender of the crab. We learned that this crab is female because the apron is wide-looking shape, while on the male there is a narrow-looking shape on the apron. Behind this, we can see the abdominal cavity. These two circles are called the gonopores. This is where the eggs are released. These long structures are called the pleopods.
On the tip, the anus is located. This black is the waste of this crab. Behind the pleopods, there is the intestine. And now, we will proceed to opening the shell. So, here is the internal features of the crab. We will now remove the epidermis. This structure is the midgut. This white both sides are flank. These are the gills. And this is the heart of the crab. On top of this lies the ovaries.
This right here is the cardiac stomach. This is where the brain lies. This yellow structure is called the hepatopancreas. Below here is the maxillipedal flagellum. This part is the digestive system.
And that's all for mud crab dissection. We hope that you learned something.